what you can do with Agentforce Vibes. And everything you build runs on Salesforce. Now, let's confirm everything is working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about Agentforce Vibes. Salesforce just made coding a whole lot simpler with Agentforce Vibes. You can describe what you want and it will build it for you. It's like having an AI teammate who understands your Salesforce setup, writes clean code and help you launch faster. It is secure, smart and built for the enterprise. This is the future of development at Salesforce. So with Agentforce Vibes, just describe what you need and your AI-powered coding partner does the rest for you. It will write, test and maintain code faster, smarter and securely all within your Salesforce environment. So let's go ahead and see what you can do with Agentforce Vibes. With Agentforce Vibes, you can use natural language to build and customize apps directly in your IDE, generate contextual Apex, Lightning Web Components, HTML or JavaScript automatically, leverage real-time code autocomplete with built-in intelligence, run test case generation and fix bugs instantly, analyze security, performance and the best practices with the integrated code analyzer, collaborate with the autonomous Agentforce for planning, debugging and deployment, rollback with checkpoints ensuring every change stays safe. And everything you build runs on Salesforce Trust Layer, giving you enterprise-grade security, governance, and compliance. With Salesforce Sandboxes and DevOps Center, you can build, test, and release new features up to 30% faster, all without touching live data. Now, we will explore how to set up Agentforce Vibes that will help you write, test, and fix code faster than ever. Let's start by setting up your development environment. For that, go to Setup and click on Agentforce Vibe. Wait for the setup to complete. You will see the message like this. As you can see here, the initial setup for Agentforce Vibes is completed. Now, open the Agentforce icon in the activity bar. It is already open for me, but this is the Agentforce icon. Open it, agree to the terms and condition and click on enable and start building. Now, let's explore Agentforce Vibes and its features. Now that your Agentforce Vibes is set up, let's explore what makes it truly powerful. Agentforce Vibes isn't just another code assistant. It is an entire AI-powered development ecosystem built into Salesforce. At its core, the Agentforce Vibes extension is a suite of agentic tools that transforms developer experience and productivity. This extension combines trusted Salesforce AI models with automation, letting you execute complete workflows, generate code, and deploy apps, all through simple natural language conversations. Now, let's talk about the features of Agentforce Vibes. First, let's meet Agentforce, your intelligent development partner. Unlike traditional assistant, Agentforce doesn't just suggest, it will take action. Using agentic chat powered by the Model Context Protocol, it can execute commands, connect directly to your Salesforce org, and perform multi-step development tasks automatically. The next feature is inline auto completions. As you type into your Lightning Web Component or Apex class files, Agentforce Vibes predicts and completes your code instantly. No need to pause or search for syntax. Simply press Option / on Mac or Alt / on Windows to trigger suggestions. It speeds up coding, reduces typos, and keeps your workflow smooth. You'll even see a subtle sparkle letting you know AI is working behind the scenes. The next feature is test case generation. For Salesforce developers, test coverage is a must, and Agentforce Vibes makes it effortless. Just describe what you need and it writes complete test suites for Apex or LWCs. It can create positive, negative, and edge case testers. It can identify coverage gaps in existing tests, generate realistic mock data and assertions. It can also follow your org's naming convention and security model automatically. As your code evolves, it even suggests new tests, helping you maintain continuous coverage and deployment-ready code. The next feature is MCP Integration, which is a context that will understand you. The magic behind Agentforce intelligence is the Model Context Protocol or MCP. Think of MCP as a secure bridge that connects Agentforce to your development tools, databases, and org metadata. With Salesforce DX MCP Server, Agentforce can query your org schema and object relationships. It can also access existing Apex classes and LWCs. It also enables Agentforce to understand the security model and naming conventions and also suggest code and optimization tailored to your org. This deep context means the code it writes fits seamlessly into your environment, reducing rework and ensuring accuracy. The next feature that we are going to talk about is the Agentforce Rules and Workflows. Consistency is key in team development, and that's where Agentforce Rules come in. Rules are persistent instructions that define your coding standards. Things like naming convention, structure, and architectural patterns. You can create them in the chat with simple commands like / and the rule that you want, and the Agentforce will know them automatically in every session. This helps teams enforce best practices, maintain clean code architecture, and ensure code quality across projects. Trusted Generative AI. Agentforce Vibes is powered by Salesforce Trusted AI principles, built around accuracy, safety, honesty, empowerment, and sustainability. It never uses your org's private data to train global models. Everything happens within Salesforce trust boundary, keeping your information secure, compliant, and private. Next feature. Salesforce also provides flexible AI models. Under the hood, Agentforce Vibes runs on Salesforce custom SFR model, fine-tuned specifically for code understanding and complex reasoning. For more demanding tasks, pro-tier models are also available, all securely hosted within Salesforce trusted infrastructure or partner environments. Next feature, intelligent workflow automation. Every feature inside Agentforce Vibes is designed for one purpose: to reduce context switching. Instead of juggling between tools, tabs, and terminals, you can do everything right inside your IDE. From generating Apex to deploying metadata, analyzing performance, or refactoring code, all through one conversational interface. Before using these tools, make sure to turn on Salesforce Telemetry. Telemetry ensures that your AI features function correctly and that usage is monitored securely. You can enable it under settings by turning on the Salesforce Telemetry option and setting the telemetry level to all. Then reload your window and you're ready to code. To find your telemetry settings, press Command and comma on Mac or Control comma on Windows and open your settings and paste the following command. And as you can see, I have already turned on my telemetry settings. Agentforce thrives on context. The more information you provide, such as your org structure, file names, or specific logic, the better it understands your goals and delivers precise and relevant solutions. Every chat is project aware, so you are not just coding, you are collaborating. With Agentforce Vibes, Salesforce brings together generative AI, automation, and trust to empower every developer. From inline code to intelligent testing, from context-aware chat to teamwork standards, it's everything you need to build faster, safer, and smarter. Now, let's confirm everything is working. In the input bar, type the following prompt: list all Lightning web components in my local project and in this repository, and press enter. As you can see, after thoroughly analyzing the project directory, it is saying that it haven't found any LWC components in my local project, which is actually right. Since this is a new project, there is nothing inside the folders. So we can confirm that the setup is actually up and running. Now that our setup is ready, we can use Agentforce Vibes to inspect and fix a real project issue. Trailhead includes a fun sample app, the Agentforce Adventure Tools app. It is a dice rolling game built with Apex and LWCs. When you run it, you will notice a bug. The dice totals shows as undefined. So if you look at the D20, you can see the total number of dice is shown as undefined. The same happens with rolling any dice, any cards. Let's go ahead and fix this issue. To fix the issue in the dice roller app, first we need to import that project into our IDE. To do so, let's add the manifest file in here. Since this project is connected to the Salesforce org directly, it doesn't have a manifest file. Let's go ahead and create one. At the project root, go ahead and create a manifest folder, and inside the manifest folder, create a file named package.xml. Once your package.xml file is created, copy paste the content from the trailhead. I will provide the link for the trailhead module at the description. Go ahead and copy paste and save the file. Once your package.xml is in place, go to Agent Vibes again and paste the following command: please retrieve the source from my default org based on the manifest file, and hit enter. Agentforce Vibe will automatically fetch all details. As you can see, Agentforce Vibes has retrieved all the files associated with the Dice Roller app. If we go to the file explorer and look for the LWC associated with Dice Roller, you can see the files are all here. Now let's go ahead and fix the Dice Roller issue. To fix it, open the Agentforce panel and click on start a new task and paste the following command: the Dice Roller LWC is not displaying the total sum. Please identify and fix the issue in the role result class of Dice Roller service, and hit enter. Now, as you can see, Agentforce Vibes have gone through the code and identified the issues and fixed it. It is also telling you the fix that it has implemented in the code. You can click this button to see the changes that it did. When you are satisfied with the changes, you can ask Agentforce to deploy the code by typing deploy the service. So deploy dice roll service class to my default and hit enter. What this will do is this will deploy the changes into your org. Once the code is deployed, return to the app and test again. You will now see that the correct totals and results stored in the dice rolls object. So let's refresh and roll it again, and as you can see, we no longer see the undefined value here. Now that your fix is live, let's explore how Agentforce gives you control over how you work. Inside the Vibes IDE, you can choose between two modes: planning and acting. Use plan mode to brainstorm, map ideas, and review review designs safely, no code changes yet. Switch to act mode when it's time to build, test, or deploy. Agentforce can take action right inside your org. You can also set up Agentforce rules to define your team's coding standards, naming patterns, and security practices. And when you share more context like existing objects, logic, or metadata, Agentforce generates smart org-aware code that fits seamlessly into your system. That means you can plan for clarity, act for speed. That's how Agentforce Vibes keeps your workflows intelligent, secure, and perfectly aligned. Agentforce Vibes isn't just a coding tool. It's your intelligent partner in innovation. From idea to deployment, it helps you build faster, smarter, and more securely. So set it up, start creating, and experience a new rhythm in development. Because when your ideas turn directly into code, innovation becomes unstoppable. That is all for this video. If you want us to go and deep dive into any of the features in Agentforce Vibes, please let us know in the comments below. We will be happy to do it. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.